I guys received this really nice 56-inch ceiling fan with lights for event purposes. And let's take everything out of the box. It comes very well protected with loads of foam, which is really nice. Here are the fan blades, 3 fan blades. And it comes with everything you need to install it. Okay, so the TV is ready. You can select different velocities for the fan, and you can set it up so that it doesn't make any sound. Turn on the light, change the temperature of the light, which is really nice. I really like it. I really recommend it. It's very nice and easy to install. See ya.